Imagine approaching a home where rustic charm and contemporary sophistication blend effortlessly. Welcome to Visionary Designs. Let's step into a front porch that sets the stage for a stunning design journey. As we walk along the gently winding path, weathered stone pavers feel cool beneath your feet, each one guiding you toward a home that masterfully fuses rustic and modern elements. The front porch reveals itself, framed by a sleek, flat roof extending outward, its modern lines supported by robust, reclaimed wood beams. The contrast between the clean, geometric lines of the roof and the organic texture of the wood creates an inviting and unique entryway. The large floor-to-ceiling windows on either side provide tantalizing glimpses of the interior, their minimalist frames allowing the warm, golden light from inside to spill outside. The front door stands as a centerpiece, a stunning live-edge wood slab showcasing the beauty of nature's imperfections. Complementing the door are modern, low-profile seating and weathered metal lanterns, which together create a scene that's both visually striking and welcoming. This porch isn't just an entrance. It's a prelude to the seamless blend of rustic and contemporary styles that awaits within. Push open the substantial wooden door, and you're immediately enveloped by an entryway that bridges the outdoor charm with the interior's sophisticated fusion of styles. The polished concrete floors beneath your feet are sleek and cool, their gray tones warmed by a vintage runner that adds a touch of warmth and texture. To your right, a floating console of clean, minimalist design contrasts with the rough-hewn texture of a reclaimed wood accent wall behind it, setting a tone of refined elegance. Natural light pours in through a strategically placed skylight, casting a gentle glow over a statement chandelier made from repurposed materials. The industrial edges of the chandelier are softened by the warm light it emits. Look up, and you'll see the ceiling transition from smooth drywall to exposed wooden beams, creating a visual journey from modern sleekness to rustic warmth. A large mirror in a weathered metal frame reflects the space, enhancing its sense of openness and capturing the balance of elements that define this entryway. It's a space that promises a harmonious blend of modern and rustic design throughout the home. As you step into the living room, you're greeted by a space where contemporary design is softened by rustic touches. The room features a double-height ceiling, its exposed wooden trusses creating a striking contrast against the crisp white walls. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flood the space, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The clean lines of these modern windows are softened by sheer, flowing curtains that add a touch of movement and warmth to the room. At the heart of the living area is a low-profile sectional in supple gray leather, its sleek silhouette anchored by overstuffed cushions and a variety of textured throw pillows in earthy hues. This creates a cozy and inviting seating area. Complementing the sectional are two mid-century modern armchairs in rich cognac leather, which add a touch of retro chic and form a perfect conversation nook. The room's focal point is the fireplace, a modern marvel with a concrete surround housing a linear gas fireplace. The flames dance behind a sheet of glass, creating a mesmerizing view. Above, a reclaimed wood mantel adds warmth and character, decorated with a curated selection of minimalist art and objects d'art. Underfoot, a plush area rug in muted tones defines the seating area, providing a soft contrast to the sleek, polished concrete floors that extend throughout the space. Clever lighting design enhances the room's ambiance. Recessed LED lights offer overall illumination, while a statement chandelier, a sculptural piece combining blackened steel and blown glass, hangs dramatically over the center of the room. In the corners, floor lamps with warm-toned Edison bulbs cast a gentle, intimate glow, creating pockets of light that enhance the room's inviting atmosphere. A floating media unit along one wall hides state-of-the-art entertainment systems behind a smooth facade, maintaining clean lines while providing functionality. Above it, a gallery wall displays contemporary art prints and black and white photographs in simple frames, adding personality without cluttering the space. As you take in the room, you notice thoughtful, rustic accents. A live-edge wood coffee table, vintage leather-bound books on floating shelves, and a hand-woven basket holding cozy throws. These elements soften the modern edges, creating a living room that's both impressively contemporary and irresistibly inviting, a perfect example of rustic modern harmony. Moving into the open-concept kitchen and dining area, the balance of modern sophistication and rustic warmth is evident. The kitchen island, with its dramatic waterfall countertop of polished quartz, commands attention. The island's base, clad in matte black cabinetry, provides a stark yet sophisticated contrast to the light, reflective surface. Suspended above, a trio of oversized pendant lights in hammered copper introduces a touch of rustic glamour, their warm glow reflecting off the polished surfaces below. The perimeter cabinetry in soft gray features a handleless design, emphasizing clean lines and modern simplicity. Integrated appliances maintain the seamless look, while a commercial-grade range with a matte black finish stands out as both a functional centerpiece and a nod to professional kitchens. Above, a custom range hood in brushed stainless steel adds an industrial touch. The backsplash of handmade ceramic tiles in a subtle herringbone pattern introduces texture and artisanal charm, softening the kitchen's modern edges. Open shelving crafted from reclaimed wood breaks up the expanse of cabinetry, offering a space to display artisanal pottery and cookbooks, adding warmth and personality. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining area, where a large farmhouse table with a live-edge wood top takes center stage. It sits atop a sleek black steel base, a perfect embodiment of rustic modern fusion. Surrounding the table, molded plastic chairs in crisp white offer a contemporary counterpoint. Overhead, a modern chandelier featuring geometric shapes in brass provides both illumination and sculptural interest. Floor-to-ceiling windows line one wall of the dining area, flooding the space with natural light and providing views of the surrounding landscape. A set of sliding glass doors leads to an outdoor dining terrace, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. The flooring throughout the kitchen and dining area is wide plank oak, its natural grain and warm tones adding rustic charm underfoot. A built-in bar area features a wine fridge and open shelving backed with antique mirror panels, displaying modern glassware alongside vintage decanters. Thoughtful details enhance the space. A vase of freshly cut wildflowers on the island, a vintage rug under the dining table adding a pop of color, and strategically placed LED strip lighting under the cabinets and island overhang, providing a soft, ambient glow. This kitchen and dining area is more than a functional space. It's a multifunctional area that invites gathering and connection. The seamless integration of sleek, modern elements with warm, rustic touches creates an atmosphere that is both sophisticated and welcoming. Transitioning to the master bedroom, you enter a sanctuary that balances modern sophistication with rustic comfort. The room's sense of spaciousness is immediately evident, with floor-to-ceiling windows bathing the space in natural light. Sheer linen curtains soften the sunlight, adding a layer of privacy and warmth. The bed is a masterpiece of contemporary design with rustic influences. A low-profile platform bed frame in dark walnut anchors the room, its clean lines and minimalist form complemented by a headboard made from live-edge wood. The natural contours and grain patterns of the wood create a striking organic backdrop. Layers of luxurious bedding in soft grays, creams, and muted blues invite you to relax. A chunky knit throw and an assortment of pillows in various textures, linen, velvet, and faux fur, add depth and coziness. Flanking the bed, floating nightstands in the same walnut as the bed frame showcase simple, functional design. Adjustable wall-mounted reading lights in brushed brass provide targeted illumination without cluttering the space. The room's lighting scheme is a study in ambiance. Recessed LED lights in the ceiling provide overall illumination, while a modern chandelier with organic-inspired forms casts a soft, warm glow. Smart lighting controls allow for easy adjustment of brightness and color temperature, creating the perfect atmosphere for any time of day. Opposite the bed, a floating credenza in walnut provides storage while maintaining the room's open feel. Above it, a large round mirror in a minimalist brass frame reflects light and visually expands the space. Carefully curated objects dar and vases of fresh greenery add personality without clutter. Underfoot, a plush area rug in a subtle geometric pattern adds warmth and texture to the smooth hardwood floors. Its soft pile invites bare feet, creating a tactile transition from day to night. The restrained color palette of warm neutrals with soft nature-inspired hues creates a calming backdrop, allowing the interplay of textures and materials to shine. A sliding barn door, its weathered wood contrasting beautifully with the sleek track system, leads to the ensuite bathroom. This bedroom is more than a place to sleep. It's a carefully crafted haven that balances modern design with rustic elements, inviting you to unwind and rejuvenate. Stepping through expansive sliding glass doors, we emerge onto a stunning backyard patio that extends the home's interior design philosophy into the outdoors. Large format concrete pavers form a sleek foundation, their cool gray tones softened by intentional gaps where lush ground cover peeks through, blending the hardscape with nature. The covered patio area is defined by a reclaimed wood pergola, its rugged beams providing a striking contrast to the sleek concrete floor. Drape Edison bulbs across the beams, casting a warm, inviting glow that enhances the space's charm as evening approaches. Beneath the pergola, a low-profile outdoor sofa in weatherproof fabric provides ample seating, its clean lines complemented by woven all-weather wicker chairs. The seating is adorned with plush cushions and throws in earthy tones, echoing the interior design's cozy elegance. A circular concrete fire pit, surrounded by modern Adirondack chairs, offers a cozy spot for gatherings. The fire pit's minimalist design contrasts with the warm, flickering flames that create an inviting ambiance. Nearby, a modern outdoor kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances and a rustic wood bar top, perfect for entertaining. Greenery plays a significant role in this space. Planters with succulents and ornamental grasses add vibrant splashes of green, their textures and shapes creating visual interest. Built-in benches with cushioned seats offer additional outdoor seating and storage, enhancing the functionality of the space. As dusk falls, the patio is illuminated by in-ground LED lights and modern sconces, casting a soft, ambient glow that transforms the area into a perfect setting for evening relaxation and entertainment. The seamless integration of sleek modern elements with natural textures creates an outdoor space that's as stylish as it is functional. We hope this video has inspired you with the possibilities of blending rustic charm and contemporary sophistication in every corner of a home. From the inviting front porch to the serene master bedroom and the versatile backyard patio, each space demonstrates how these two styles can coalesce beautifully. What stood out to you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tour, be sure to like and subscribe for more design inspirations. Until next time, Keep dreaming and creating spaces that truly reflect your unique style.